Here we go. We have a question, alternate positive and negative numbers. So you have given a sorted array containing both positive and negative number. Your task is to create an array of alternate positive and negative numbers without changing the relative order. And the answer array start with the positive number. So here we have a sample case. So first number is positive, then negative, positive, negative. So that's how it will work. On the second test case, we have positive, negative, positive, negative. So we have excess of positive numbers. So at the end, we have a lot of positive numbers. So let's code this. So we have this. First, what we'll do, we will separate the positive and negative numbers. So we create two different list or vector. This number is negative, we place this number here or we add this number here. Next we have -2, then we have 5, 2, 4, 7, 1, 8, 0 and -8. So after building this, the thing is we don't need to return, we have to modify the input array. So on this place we have to place this element, first positive element. So we need to uh, maintain two variables I and j, I pointing to this value and j pointing to this value. So we change this value with first positive number, then I will increment I, then we need to place this negative number. So modify this number with this number, then increment your j. Then we have positive number, so modify this value with positive number, so increment your I, then modify this value with a negative number and modify increment your j. Next we have positive number, so modify this value with positive number, increment your I, modify this value with negative number, modify this value with -8. Next modify this value, but we have only positive values, we don't have negative values because j reaches m and I still not equal to n. So we need to add all the positive numbers only. So modify this value with positive number, modify this value with positive number, modify this value with positive number and modify this value with positive number. So that's how it will work. Let's code this. So we have positive and negative, two separate lists, and we need to iterate in the input list. If the number is positive or 0, add into positive, else add into negative. Next, we need to maintain three variables I and j for positive and negative list and k for the input list. N and m, so it's the size of positive and negative. Then I is not equal to n and j not reaches the size. Then first we need to add the positive number on the kth location, first on the 0th location, then increment your k, then input or modify with the negative value, then increment your k. Now we have taken the I and j into consideration, increment your I and j. So this condition will work if we have both positive and negative numbers. If we have only positive numbers, so I not reaches n, then we need to set positive number on the kth location, increment your k and increment your I. Same goes for the negative values. So that's how it will work. Let's submit this. Code is given in the description box. Let's talk about the time and space complexity. So we have time complexity. First we are iterating, it is order of n. Next we are iterating in order of n. So we can say time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of n. So we have met the expected time and space complexity. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel and thank you all for watching.